Hello there guys, so it's currently 2:15. We've been here for a bit already, but I've been working on all zippy. Light, nope, it's too bright out there. Just been refitting the electric fan, took it home last night and repaired it and fitted that again today. And also adjusted the headlights because, well, for as long as I've had it, they've been pointing in the sky really. So yeah, hopefully be able to see a bit better at night now, and engine will stay cool with the electric fan fixed. So yeah, you can see he's been here, been marking his territory as always. Anyway, on to Huey. What we're doing today. So obviously yesterday we got the seams finished up. It's not actually as bad as I thought it was, to be honest. I thought I'd made a worse job of it than I have, but yeah, not perfect, but it'll do the job. So yeah, that's good. So today I guess we could either think about getting the inner ear post in or the hinge panel really. I guess it doesn't really matter what order we do those in. Might be easy to do the hinge panel first. Yesterday when the door was on, I put a quick spray of paint in there to sort of try and roughly mark where that wants to be. So I don't know where I put the panel now. It's here. So hopefully we can sort of just hold that up and see where it wants to go. Yeah, see, the inner ear post has kind of just been a bit of a pain getting in the way. But yeah, it wants to be somewhere around there. So yeah, we might get the hinge panel in. What we're going to have to do is drill an absolute shed load of holes all along here. Obviously we can't get into here with the punch, so we're just going to have to manually drill a load of holes out and then weld it in. So yeah, that'll be fun. Let's crack on. Okay, so I'm just kind of in the process of drilling all the holes to plug weld the door post on, the hinge panel, whatever the heck you want to call it. I need to do a few more at the top. I didn't get quite high enough, but that's okay. We can do that in a minute. I think I don't know. I might have gone over the top with all the amount of holes I've done, to be honest, but it's not going to fall off, is it? Let's put it that way. So yeah, we'll drill a few more 3mm holes up at the top, and I'm going to make them all 6mm like them ones, but I decided they were a bit close together. That's why I did the few big ones, just to see how they fitted. But yeah, might be a bit overkill, but well, yeah, the door isn't going to be falling off any time, is it? So that's good. And we should probably do some up on here as well. So yeah, firstly I'll just get some more up there and then make all these bigger, and then think about doing the ones on the other side too. So yeah, there we go. Let's carry on. Okay, so just drilled out all these holes to 3mm and to 5mm. I did originally do those few at the top 6, but I decided 5 was probably adequate. Just took all the burrs off the back and gave a coat of primer, so I'm just going to give that a second to dry before we start putting that back in place and just scratch all the paint straight back off. So yeah, that's fun drilling all them out, as you can imagine. So yeah, I'll get back to you very soon. Go and have a quick snack and a drink and carry on. Okay, so while I'm waiting for some more paint to dry, do a bit of compressor maintenance. I need to tighten that belt up that I mentioned a few videos ago. Oh, wobbly. Ground's obviously not very level there. Yeah, I mentioned a few videos that it was squealing, not running right, and it's because the belt was loose, and you guys kindly told me how you adjust the belt. It is indeed the motor mounts that you move. So yeah, we'll just whip the cover off, slacken off all these, and then we'll get the belt tightened up a bit, because basically whenever it's cold, if there's any pressure in the tank, it just can't turn. So I have to literally stand here and manually hold the pressure relief valve until it's warmed up a bit before it'll then make pressure. So it's really irritating. So yeah, I'll just quickly whip off this cover at the back, slacken off that, and get that belt tightened up, and hopefully won't have to keep messing with that all the time now. Yeah, it's a little slack to say the least. So yeah, we'll just get all these bolts undone now and slide it over a bit. Okay, I've been trying to tighten this belt up, and it's a bit tighter than it was, but it's still very, very sloppy. I can't really hold the motor across whilst also holding the nut at the bottom and tightening with the spanner on the top. Don't have three hands, so I'm just waiting for my friend to finish work, and he's going to come over. Hopefully, I've asked, he's not replied. Hopefully he'll come over and just give us a hand with that for 5 minutes. So yeah, it's usable as it is anyway, so we'll just leave that there and carry on with this. So where were we? Yes, the door hinge panel. So it's pretty much ready to weld in, really, apart from I'll have to mark up the areas on this panel here where I'm going to need to clean the paint off. So get that clamped in place, and then get out the trusty yellow paint again, as I already have done today, as you can see, and just spray through here to mark where I'm cleaning the paint off. Yeah, clean it off and weld it on. So let's get on with that now. Okay, so got all the top side of these cleaned up as well, and ready to weld in. So I've got it all clamped in place. Not all of the places are fully tight up, but what I'm basically going to do is I'm just going to do like maybe a tack there and one at the top, maybe one in the middle, so I'll do like 3 sort of thing, just so it's held enough in place to just test fit the door one last time before we just go all out and do all of them in case it's slightly in the wrong place or whatever. So yeah, we'll just tack these in, just to say literally about 3 places, and then we'll try the door again, and if all is well, we will plug weld all of those up. So that'll be fun. Obviously I'm not going to be able to just go and literally do them all straight one after another, because I'll warp something, but you know, I'll just do one, miss a couple, one, miss a couple, give it 10 minutes to cool down and come back, sort of thing. So yeah, feels like really good progress today now. I'm really happy. Really feels like we're heading in the right direction with it. So yeah, let's carry on with that. Okay then, so got all this welded in now. Took my time with that, kept moving the clamps about, pull it all nice and tight in, and yeah, there we go, welded in. Let's have a look at the back. Bear in mind, obviously this is a 3mm thick is the doorpost, the hinge panel, so it didn't come through loads, but it has come through, as you can see. So yeah, that's good. I need to, this bit there, I need to just drill a hole in the middle, at the top and bottom there, and pull in the clamps and give that a weld as well. I didn't think to do that before, so we'll do that. So yeah, I'm going to leave it here now, let this panel cool down overnight, and come back tomorrow and grind all this off, and yeah, carry on, get the inner ear post in and stuff like that. So yeah, fantastic, got some more welded in, real progress now. So if you haven't already, check out the 500 subscriber giveaway video, and yeah, like the video, subscribe, etc, and catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.